This episode is Beijing Film Studio makes a cartoon baby crying sound effect in class and gets grounded. And that was inspired by Giggles Shortcake.
Okay, class. My name is Mr. Zapari. Mr. Rogers goes to meeting appointment checkup and he won't back until Monday. Anyways, today's math time, so Braydin Hensel, what is 5 to 2?
It's 3.
Correct. Next, Caillou, what is 2 plus 10?
12.
Good job. Beijing Film Studio, why did you make that cartoon baby crying sound effect?
Because I was bored.
Go to the principal's office, because I can't stand you making this noise.
What's happening, Beijing Film Studio? What did you do?
I made the cartoon baby sound effect in class. That's why I was bored.
You are suspended for until November. Go home now.
At home.
Damn it, Beijing Film Studio. I heard that you make a cartoon baby crying sound effect in class. I was not happy about your behavior.
But Mom and Dad, why do you look like a different?
We got plastic surgery and my wife got a new voice will be Kimberly and there will be no longer use Ashley anymore. And that's why no one is no longer used, and you are grounded for 212 weeks.
Your father is right. You are grounded and that's final. Now go upstairs to your room and go to bed. Or else we are sending you to Ecuador.